Hey everybody, Horde Galore here. Today I'm going to do an unboxing. I picked up some of those Funko minis, the WWE ones. Picked up 2 boxes. These are from Wal-Mart. This is what they look like. There's the side and the back. I guess the Walmart exclusives are Hot Rod, Macho Man, and Hacksaw Jim Duggan. So yeah, you can get Roddy Piper, Macho Man, and Hacksaw Jim Duggan are your Walmart exclusives. So we got 2 of these. Let's open them up. See what we get. So box 1. Oh, we got Roddy Piper. Sweet. That's pretty cool. He's got his kilts and everything. In case you can't see that. Alright. Not bad, not bad. So that's a Walmart one. And here's number 2. Wouldn't mind Undertaker. And let's see what box number 2 has for us. Oh, John Cena. Mr. Cena. John Cena. There he is. There's the back. So, we got the Hot Rod, Roddy Piper, and John Cena. Alright, that's what we got. Maybe we're going to pick up some more of these over the weekend. We'll see what happens. But don't forget, I got that contest going on with my other video for those from the Walking Dead Mystery Minis. Hit that last video up. I got 6 comments so far. I said after 10 I'd give away a free Rick Grimes if you watch the video. Check that one out. Subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you in a few.